In this video, I'm going to make some of the most delicious chicken breast on a Traeger Woodridge Pro. I'm smoking it at 325 degrees, and I'm going to use a Carolina BBQ sauce to finish it off. Guys, this was juicy, tender, and delicious. Absolutely spectacular and layered in flavor. And you better believe I made an unbelievable watermelon salad and cucumber salad to go with this for the most refreshing summer meal possible. You know what to do. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. Let's start from the top. All right, so I picked up some delicious chicken breast and some Mother Clucking Good Chicken Spice by Earl's Signature Sauces. This seasoning looked absolutely spectacular, so I want to just give it a quick try. Now, as you can see here, I liberally seasoned this chicken breast. Straightforward, not complicated. We're just going to get it fully covered, then we're going to put it out on the Traeger Woodridge Pro. I have this running using maple pellets, and I'm running it at 325 degrees. Now, you can see there, I have a little meat thermometer stuck into one of the chicken breasts. I'm monitoring them until they hit 165 degrees internal. That's when I'll pull them off. But when they're at about 155 degrees, I'm going to come in with this signature sauce by Earl's Signature Sauce, his Carolina BBQ. Guys, this sauce is beautiful, delicious, and just layered in flavor. And I just layered it all over these chicken breast. This is at about 155 degrees internal. And just by tacking it on now, it's going to kind of, attach to the chicken breast. You can see there, it's cooked in a little bit and it looks absolutely delicious. That's all you got to do, guys. It's just that simple. If you don't have a meat thermometer, it probably takes about 45 minutes at 325 on the Traeger Woodridge Pro. But I do strongly suggest you have a meat thermometer and make sure you cook it to 165 degrees internal. Once you've hit that point, you can just let it rest for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Slice into it. You've got some delicious chicken. Look at that. Doesn't that look spectacular? From that seasoning and the sauce on the outside to that juicy interior bite. Man, oh man. This is diabolical. My taste buds were tantalized by this. And as you saw at the very beginning, I did up a delicious, refreshing watermelon and cucumber salad. Oh, buddy, talk about the perfect summertime meal. Serious, guys, I really enjoyed this, and it was so basic. You just had to put the seasoning on the chicken breast and then put the chicken breast on the smoker, and that's all it is. I love barbecue, and I love how simple these delicious dishes are. If you're like me and love good, refreshing summertime meals, this is a must try. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you like and subscribe. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and I hope you have a great day.